What's up, my heart attacks? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am definitely not at home. I came outside in the real world today. I'm gonna show you guys how to pose, how to take good pictures for your auditions with your audition attire. First things first, you wanna trust whoever you're shooting with because they're gonna be honest and they're not gonna be creepers, you know? When you're like dressed like this out in the city, you've got people, you know, staring at you, like looking at you like you're all crazy and stuff. Be aware of your surroundings and who's just gonna have your back. Like that guy. Look at backgrounds that have pretty nice backdrops. Thinking of right here, I know it's kind of like, you know, a little too overexposed, and I also did not like how you could see my shadow. Look in the mirror, know the angles of your face, know the angles of your body. Nobody's gonna know that better than you, unless you have like an photographer who's like, no, like turn this way, no, go that way. Just practice in the mirror, like smiling, like serious faces, you know, just like Tyra Banks says, you gotta like SMIZE. You can never go wrong with a smile, of course, but don't be afraid to do faces like that. Looking for something really solid, something flattering with just enough light, and then, you know, whoever's taking your picture, you can like edit the brightness of it. I think personally, natural lighting is the best lighting. There's nothing wrong with studio lighting. It's just when you have the sun, I just feel like it's just so much better. Try all kinds of poses. Like, don't feel stupid. Like, you won't feel stupid if you're posing, you know, with your arms, if you're leaning in, if you're elevating your feet on releve, you know, like, don't feel silly. Try different poses, and don't be afraid to showcase like unique poses too. Hair flips with like some pictures, you know, I think that would be cool. If not, you know, to submit for the audition, to have for yourself, I mean, super fun. Always squeeze your abs and every other muscle. I feel like I haven't been doing that, but you're supposed to like just try and keep yourself really nice and tight. You want to find your light. What I mean by that, you want to look for the light. So if your light is facing this way, you want to face your light. Literally came to a parking garage, and I'm gonna use this brick wall. I think I have just enough lighting. I'm actually facing against the lighting, but I think with the trick of the camera, trick of the little bit of the light of what I have, I can make it look pretty good. Because see, the light is facing that way, but I think it's bright enough to where it won't be so overexposed. Use your environment. Like if there was a ladder right here, like, you know, I'd be like leaning on the ladder, like holding on to it, you know, touching it. Play with your surroundings. The lighting's not very even here. It's got a lot of shadows on my face, but I wanted to show you how I'm using my environment. So I just changed into the second outfit. So I'm gonna put you guys over here as I move and pose. A good friend of yours so they can help you fix your hair, tell you, oh, your bra is sticking out, or oh, nope, you look like you got a love handle right there, you got some extra love on that side. So nice when you have somebody looking out for you and telling you, fix this, fix that, fix your hair sticking up, so you can look extra awesome. Don't try to look like anybody else because you're not. Embrace yourself, embrace your unique qualities, because that's what's gonna make the photo super unique, and of course it's gonna be you. So just relax, have fun. When you're having fun, it's gonna show on camera. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got some good ideas for your photo shoot. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Just go out there, have a good time. This is your photo shoot. This is your time. It's all about you. So be fearless, stay strong, stay positive, and I will see you guys in my next video.